So more on methods on those file objects. So you can open this file and write in it with this writing parameter, and you can write in it like first line, second line, and also we can open it and read it. We say, okay, we want to read one, print read one is this, and read two is this. So if you open a file and you do f.reads, you will f.reads will read the file and position your pointer, because you would have something like pointers. And if you do, you start your file with the pointer at the beginning, and if you read the file, let's say if you do f.read, it will just read everything and put the pointer down. So if you try another f.read, you can't read anything because there is anything left, because you have read all the file. That's why this first f.read will have some input, and the second f.read wouldn't have some input. So you would read the file just once. Here, if you want to read the lines, so here you have the functionality of read line. So if you want to read the lines line by line, you can do f1 line read line 1 will get the read line 1, and the read line 2 will get the read line 2, the line 2. There is something else. So if we read all lines, like f.read lines, or even without print, for example, let's say I would just do f.read lines. Here we don't have anything left for these files to read, because all the lines have been read already. So here you have seen, and f.read lines, which is a very useful functionality, is that it returns a list with all the lines. And here you can't read anything else because all the lines have been read following the same constructs about where your cursor or your pointer is on the file. Here you can do the same. You can read it this way for line in F. Like you can actually access your work file with just the for loop. So actually your F is like a collection of let's say of lines. So if you do like this F, what is this F? Is it's an object. It's an object that takes IO wrapper objects that has this kind of data, and this can be interpreted. It's like an iterator. We have seen iterators, I guess. They are more in the classes objects. So we will have to see iterators very soon as well. So it's kind of an iterator. So we can do like next of F, and yeah, we'll have like we can just comment these ones, and we will have, yes, we have then a line here. So F is like an iterator on the lines. Like we in Python, it reads in this language we read files line by line. So the line visualization of a file is quite the thing here. Next would be, okay, we open the same file and we write, we have some value, and we try to write this value inside the the file. So here we try to write f.write, so it will give us where we have our pointer. So if we try to open this file and check where are we, as f, print next of f, can see here. So we have printed this kind of value. So the string of this value, we converted this value to a string, and we have written this string into this file. So if we open the file as a read mode, let's say, yeah, we have writing mode, we have reading mode, and everything. If we open it in a read mode, we have this kind of answer.